Please to everyone, please stand, and can you please lead our prayer, Mr. Kibuloy? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. So good morning, class. So before you may take your seat, can you pick up those paper under your chair and arrange all your chair in the side corner, because later we use this corner for our activity. So I hope all of us will enjoy it. So class, what are absent for today? Okay, so Miss Secretary, can you give the name of absent, your classmate? No one are absent. Very good. Since no one are absent, kindly clap yourselves. So class, before we start our activity, so we have a short recap in our past lesson. So class, what was our last topic yesterday? Yes, Mr. Apolinario. That's right. So our past lesson is all about and how to calculate angle measure from degree to radians. So class, how to calculate angle measure from degree to radians and degree to radians? Yes, Mr. Kaga. That's good. So to calculate the angle measure from degree to radians, to multiply degree and by 1/5 and radians to degree by calculating 5/180. So any clarification? None. Since all of you how to calculate how to convert angle measure by degree to radian, so let's start our activity. So we call it pick me up. So class, group yourselves into three and name your group. First group opposite, the second group adjacent, and the last group hypotenuse. So according to your group name, the three groups will combine and form a right triangle. So here is the mechanic. So when I play the music, this bottle will pass through, and inside this bottle have a picture and a question written on it. So when I stop the music, the one who holds this bottle will get the paper and answer the question. Did you get it, class? Excellent. So let's start. Okay, class. That's it. So how was your activity? Did you enjoy it, class? Okay, very good. So according to your activity, in your own idea, what will be our new topic for today? Yes, Mr. Kibuloy. Excellent prediction. Right triangle. Since a right triangle is involved in our new activity, in your new topic for today. So class, our new topic for today is all about the trigonometric ratios and the 6 trigonometric action. So we have 3 objectives. So at the end of this lesson, the students are expected to identify the 6 trigonometric function and appreciate the importance of this. And the third, can calculate the 6 trigonometric function of an angle in a given triangle. So class, when you hear the word trigonometric function or ratio, so what comes in your mind? Yes, Mr. Apolinario, yes. Can you answer it? That's good. So trigonometric ratios is a special measurement of the right triangle. Its concept was given by the Greek mathematician named Hipparchus. So for us to easily understand the word trigonometry, so we divided it by 2. So the first word is trigonon and the second word is metric. So trigonon is the Greek word for triangle, and metric is the Greek word for, yes, very good. So it's the Greek word for measurement or measure, yes. So the 6 trigonometric functions are categorized by 2. So the primary and the secondary. And the primary, which are the sine, cosine, and tangent. And the secondary, the cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So look at in our screen. So as we can see, a right triangle, we name it triangle ABC. So in the corresponding side is small letter ABC. So In angle A, our opposite side is small letter A, and the adjacent is the small letter B, and the hypotenuse is the small letter C. So the adjacent side and the opposite side, it can be interchanged. So it depends on the given angle, and hypotenuse is always be a hypotenuse, and it is always the opposite side of the right angle. So, class, in order to calculate the sixth trigonometric function of angle E, so we use the factor. So we call it sukatuwa. So sukatuwa is the mnemonic device to help to remember the primary trigonometric ratios to solve the missing side and angle of a right triangle. So stands for sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and ka cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. So plus and sine A. So sine A is equal to A over C, which A is stand for opposite and C stand for hypotenuse, and ka cosine A is equal to B over C, which is B is the adjacent and C is the hypotenuse, and tangent A is equal to A over B, which is A is opposite and B is the adjacent. And since we have now the value of primary trigonometric ratios, so it's easy to calculate the secondary, which is the cosecant, secant, and tangent, because the secondary is the reciprocal of the primary. So cosecant A is the reciprocal of sine A. So cosecant A is equal to C over B, and secant A is reciprocal of cosine A. So secant A is equal to C over B, and cotangent A is reciprocal of tangent A. So cotangent A is equal to B over A. So class, any clarification? None. So since no more question, so let's try this exercises. Just answer our exercise on the screen. So in just 5 minutes. Okay, class. So what's the volunteer? Very good. So the three groups leader, the three leader of the group, volunteer. So come forward and answer it on the reading board. That's it. So congratulations to the three leader because they got the correct answer. So class, any clarification of our lesson, of our answer, the answer? Yes. Plenary, yes. Okay. So how to rationalize? So to rationalize the answer, so in tangent theta. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 5. So the answer is 2 is square root of 5 over 5. So another none. So since no more question, so let's proceed our short quiz. So class, can you get 1/2 sheet of paper and answer our short quiz and screen in just 10 minutes. So start. Time's up. So in the count of square root of 5, so pass your paper up the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So class, before we end, so just see our assignment in the screen. So advanced study the special angle of the right triangle. And what are those? So goodbye class. Class adjourned.